Hello friends! Today I'm going to IKEA to get some fall inspiration and buy a few things. So, if you're interested in seeing what's new at IKEA, especially in the fall category, follow along with me. First, in the couches section, I saw this beautiful bedding paired with matching decorative pillows. The bed linen had a stunning fall color scheme that caught my eye as soon as I entered the room. Of course, what feels like fall is subjective, but for me, this dark red combined with muted yellow gives off strong fall vibes. I try to film all the labels so you can easily find something if it catches your eye. Further into the same room, I found another cozy fall-inspired bedding setup. They paired dark green bed linen with a gorgeous pattern, a matching olive green throw blanket, and muted yellow decorative pillows. All together, it creates such a warm fall vibe in the room. You just need some tea or hot cocoa to complete the atmosphere. In the next room with armchairs, I spotted this new fall-inspired stunning armchair cover. They also had the same pattern for an ottoman. If you're looking to add a colorful accent piece to your room, these covers really radiate fall and coziness, inviting you to curl up and read or just scroll to social media. As I was passing by, a combination of muted yellow and orange textured decorative pillowcases caught my eye as a low-effort way to sprinkle fall vibes in the living room. Another detail that caught my attention in the kitchen section was this fall tree in a matching dark red-brownish pot. Such a cool combo to add a touch of fall to any room. Later in the bed section, I stumbled upon this room, which was filled with such cozy, relaxed farm vibes. It had a beautiful combination of olive green bed linen with yellow pillowcases and red pattern decorative pillow. I was just looking for bedding or small fall decorative pieces, but honestly, if you're also in the market for bigger pieces, this whole room had so much character. Next is my selection of decorative pillows and throw blankets from the textile section for fall. Colors ranging from muted yellow, orange, red to green and brown, with various textures and patterns. Everything I think will contribute to a cozy fall vibe. Some of these pieces are new, but I captured a wide range of items so you can choose what suits your style best. As I was leaving the textile and bedding section, I noticed they also had a lighter version of the green bed linen we saw earlier on one of the pull-out couches. If you're looking to sprinkle some fall vibes into your bathroom as well, I captured some towels and bath mats, some new and some not, but all in fall color scheme. While strolling to the lighting section, a cute lamp immediately caught my eye. I know most people don't change lamps for the season, but I thought I would show you in case you're going all in for the cozy fall vibes, or maybe you like it for all year round. It's generally just a cute and eye-catching lamp, which happens to be in fall colors. In the rug section, as soon as I walked in, I noticed some new orange-reddish rugs that immediately grabbed my attention. But when I looked at the prices, they were quite expensive for IKEA standards. After doing some research, I found out these are handmade Persian-style rugs made of 100% wool. So, if you are in the market for high-quality but pricier rugs in the fall tones, now you know IKEA has that too. I went through some rug options just out of curiosity, so you can have a better idea up front of what to expect. Lastly, in the downstairs area, I saw another fall-fitting bed linen set. The soft floral pattern on these sheets is so lovely. I tried to film all the labels, but if you can't see something, leave me a comment and I will help you find it on the IKEA website. I hope you enjoyed strolling through IKEA with me. If you did, please subscribe for more similar content. Let me know in the comments what your favorites are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!